Hey, thanks for stopping by for another episode of your review channel. Today we're going to be talking about something different. Everyone's doing Zoom, so this is all about Zoom, but how to do the virtual backgrounds. So it's all about Zoom. Stay tuned to this awesome video. We're going to show you how to do virtual backgrounds, and let's get into the video right now. So if you use Zoom at all, if you noticed, you can just have your image of your photo of yourself, of a live feed of your video of yourself. But if you want to use a background, if you want to have a virtual background, there's all types of ways to do it. And I'm going to show you a couple different examples here, how to do it and how to use it. So this is for a Mac platform. Okay, I'm using the newest version of Zoom. And so basically, once you download the software on your desktop, you can open up Zoom here, open up your Zoom program, and then you go on the top left, it'll say Zoom US. You drop down, click on the Zoom US, and you'll see Preferences. Click on Preferences. So what this does is you can see how the audio, so you can adjust the audio, you can put the, you can have the external microphone, you can set up the microphone there, you can set up the speakers, you can do a lot of different things under this set here, under this area. But what we're talking about now is just the virtual background. So click on the virtual background, and you can see here a bunch of different backgrounds. So you can have none, so basically that would be an image of yourself in your room. So that's what that's what the none is. Basically, it's just a photo of yourself, just to actually video from your computer of yourself. That's what it is. But if you want to have a virtual background, all you have to do is click on one of these backgrounds, and you can have the Golden Gate Bridge, you can have some grass, you can have the earth, and that's all in the background. So you're in the foreground, and it's all in the background. So it's kind of a cool thing. It's like having a built-in green screen, if you know what that is, basically. So that's what this is. That's what this program does. So this is a really, really simple way of doing it. So your virtual background, so you can have pizza. You can do whatever you want. So you can download anything you want into this. They only give you a few, but you can download and install any one you want. So say if you want to install or download something on Google, okay? So when you're in Google, let's just say you want to get an image of some chicken, okay? So let's search for chicken. It's kind of fun, right? Something different. You want to have a fun background, whatever you want to do, right? You want to go to images, okay? Now, once you're in images, there's a couple things you need to do. Once you're in tools, you'll see usage rights. Click on that, and you want to see labeled for reuse, okay? Click on labeled for reuse. So basically, these are all free images that you can use in your program. I mean, you can use anything you want, really. I don't think anybody's gonna really go after you, but this is kind of like the right way of doing it. You can do whatever you want. You can go into your photo album, you can do anything you want. It's really, really easy. But this is going to give you the basic principle on how to do that, and then you can go from there, and you can pretty much insert anything you want once you learn this basic product, this basic idea of how to do this. So let's say, I want this fried chicken leg in my background. Take the fried chicken leg, right, and put it on your, whoa, stop moving around. All right, and then drag and drop it right on your desktop. Okay, so here's the chicken leg. Okay, that's in JPEG chicken leg. Okay, that's what it is. And now, so we want to put that in our background, right? So we have a plus sign right here. Click on the plus sign. Add image. You can also add video as well, and I'll show you an example here. So here's an image of, where is it? Right here. Image of space. This is actually an MP4, so it has to be an MP4 file. You can see right here where it says, oh, out of the way. If you see in the bottom right there, my arrow, my cursor is, it'll say MP4. So any MP4 file, any video footage, here's one here of a snow that I have. This is actually something that I shot. So you can just, and I just exported as MP4. MPEG-4, so you know what that means, MPEG-4. So that's a video file. So actually, you can actually put video in the background. So you can really kind of be fun and play with it. But let's get back to the chicken. So say you want a piece of chicken as your virtual background, right? That's what you want to do. So you just click on the plus, okay? Add image. And the drop down comes in. Okay, so you want to look on the fried chicken. Let's find the fried chicken right here. Here's the fried chicken. Okay, once you click open, it inserts it right here. So now you're going to be sitting or standing or whatever you're doing in front of the chicken. So that's pretty much how you add virtual backgrounds. It's real easy and real fun. So if you want to have something fun behind you, if you want to do like a sign, and they give you the beach, you know what I'm saying, you want to put some candles behind you. So whatever you want to do, whatever you want to install here, it'll keep it there, and you can kind of play with it, or you can just shut it off totally, have nothing, and just have yourself. So that's really easy how to do that, right? That's really, really simple. Same thing with video. All you have to just click on the plus sign, okay? Add video here. So here's a promo that I did. And let's see if that'll open that up. Okay, there it is. So you can see. So you actually will be playing this promo that I have, and you'll be right behind, and you'll be standing right in front of it. So you can kind of do something, any kind of fun thing like that whatsoever. So I hope you found this tutorial helpful. So basically, this was about how to add virtual backgrounds. Usually, it comes with either with nothing, or you can do. There's like 3 or 4 it comes with. So that's pretty much how it is. But to get into the actual tutorial, to actually download and install programs, you have to go. And I'll show you one more time so you can see. All right. So make sure you're in Zoom. Then you go up to Zoom US under Preferences. Once you're in Preferences, you want to go to Virtual Background. Once you're in Virtual Background, you can install anything you want, from chicken to space to snow, whatever you have. So that's really, really simple, right? So I hope you found this informative. Please like, share, and subscribe. I do appreciate that quite a bit. It does help me out as always. And I hope you learned something. If you did, let me know. Give me a thumbs up on this video, okay? I do appreciate that. And that's it for this one. So I'm going to do some other ones as well on other things with Zoom. So please subscribe. That way you can see if something new comes out. You'll see about either sharing how to share the screen and about how to tweak the audio and how to play it out of your computer or out of speakers or anything like that. So if you have any other questions or comments, shoot me a comment below. And I respond to all my comments. I really do. I try to get back to everybody who responds. Asks a question. I get right back to them. And I got quite a few questions on how to use Zoom and how to actually use the virtual background, because everyone's online right now because of what's going on. And I think this is really helpful. And it can be fun. And if you want to put like your kids, grandkids photos up, or if you want to have something fun, I did some like old ones this is from Revere Beach. If you're from the area at all, in the Boston area. That's there. Here's a cool one here from Las Vegas I did. So you can really play around, have some fun. You might as well have some, as much fun as you can. I mean, it is a tough situation. And most importantly, don't forget to subscribe. There you go. So that's cool. All right. So that's it for this tutorial. I hope you found it informative, and you have a great day and be safe. Thanks for watching.